Hi, my name is Malachi McMurray, and this is my four audience. One is on Zoom. My topic is over why rainforests need to be protected and healed. Half the world's rainforests have already been destroyed within the century. So it's very alarming at this rate. If it continues, we could end up losing all our rainforests as a whole. And they have a very significant impact on the world, so this can be very dangerous for us. And with this speech, I hope to bring some knowledge and information over this topic, which helps persuade people to understand this and want to better their community, their environment, and the planet as a whole. My credibility for this is I am a high school student, so I've taken classes over biology, environmental sciences, chemistry, and throughout college I will be going through more classes that will be surrounded by the environment and helping and benefiting the ecosystem along with its inhabitants. And my career will also be surrounding this by helping better the environment, nature, animals, and helping just heal our planet as a whole. The classification for rainforests and diversities can be examined through many ways. For the classification, rainforests typically are very heavy with rainfall, very diverse weather. They have a large diversity within their ecosystem with plants, animals, and how they interact with each other. There's a lot of symbiotic relationships, which means everyone in their ecosystem helps each other to survive and maintain their life. The rainforests also have huge canopies and it's very dense jungle-like plants and animals, which some of them can be very dangerous. For the diversity of the rainforest, 68% of world's known plants are inside the rainforests, even though they make up less than 2% of our land. And an average 4 square mile patch consists of 1,500 species of plants, 750 species of trees, 125 mammals, 400 species of bird, 100 reptiles, 60 of amphibian, and 150 different types of butterflies. For the benefits that we'd be losing through not helping these rainforests is we'd be losing food, medicine, water, oxygen production, and so many more simple things like resin, oils, just some natural things that we use day to day but don't think about where they come from. For the past damages and current health of the rainforest, so far we've taken away 9 million acres of rainforests, and this has had huge impacts on the ecosystem in general. For them, the rainforest being less than 2%, it has over 50% of animals and plant species, which can be very damaging with all the damage we're doing to it. For the types of damage that humans have done to it so far, there's been logging, mining, stripping of land for either farming, housing, or just stripping the entire plot of land just for its resources, which humans take for granted. And this can be very damaging considering it can take out species of animals and plants and change up a lot of things within the ecosystem. For the consequences, there's several very dangerous things that could happen. We have loss of fertile land, we have loss of biodiversity, which they're very diverse ecosystems, and there's huge impacts within this. We could have extinct species, we could lose oxygen production, because rainforests produce 20% of Earth's oxygen, with it being less than 2% of the land. For the future effects, there could be more consistent extinctions, loss of life, loss of resources. We could lose the oxygen, and even just the migration in general. With the loss of land, they have to move to different areas and disrupt other food chains and ecosystems. But we can save 14.5 million acres, or million square kilometers of land and all the species that reside within this, and just help maintain what we already have left and try to heal with the damages we've had from the others. Everyday citizens can have a huge impact, whether they want to think they can or not. Some people think they don't, they're just one person, they can't make a difference. But with these little steps, you can really have an impact. There's stuff as little as changing up your diet, what you buy. You can donate to certain charities to help the cause, or you can volunteer within your community or even travel to different countries to help people in these communities that are actually suffering from the loss of rainforests and the diversity and the resources that they get from these. But just the simple steps and even emailing somebody can make a difference. In conclusion, through all the information I've led through this, I really hope to make a difference by informing the public about the dangers of this topic, and to help persuade them to help their community, their environment, the rainforest, and the planet as a whole, and just heal rather than destroy and conquer all in our path. I also think together as people we can really make a difference and just heal the world. Thank you.